Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button for more. Does everything that Hlubi owns actually belongs to him? It's just a question, guys. No hard feelings. We all know Musakhawula, right? He went on to expose Hlubi. Well, hear what is happening. Hlubi went on to post a video of his new house that he claims he bought 10 million rands. People know Musakhawula for his fun facts, for he doesn't beat around the bushes. Now, here is what Musa is saying about Hlubi's new house. Notorious liar. Hlubi's new house found on the Airbnb website to book at 3,800 per night. Now, what do you guys think? Who is fooling who? Is Hlubi lying to us? By the way, I'm also Hlubi's fan and I also love watching his content. Or is Musakhawula being hard on Hlubi? One of Hlubi's fans came to his defense, saying some of the houses have actual owners. Mind you, Musakhawula is saying that Hlubi is lying that he bought a house. What Musakhawula is actually saying is Ghost didn't buy any house that's an Airbnb that cost 3,800 per night. Musa is actually saying that he has receipt, he has proof that that house doesn't belong to Hlubi. I don't know guys, maybe Hlubi booked the house for that occasion. I don't know. I'm just assuming that maybe he booked the house. There you have it guys. Who is telling the truth? Please let me know in the comment section down below. It is up to you to decide. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more and I'll surely see you on my next upload.